Imagine a world where every innovation, every original idea is shielded from the shadows of theft. In the realm of creativity and invention, safeguarding intellectual property isn't just important, it's crucial. Yet, as our world grows increasingly digital, the specter of intellectual property theft becomes more menacing, threatening the very foundation of innovation. Fear not, for artificial intelligence stands as a vigilant protector in this battle for creativity. AI isn't just technology, it's the future's guardian. Through sophisticated algorithms and razor-sharp data analytics, AI delves deep, detecting potential breaches and acts of piracy with astounding precision. Imagine a tool so powerful that it can trace the unauthorized spread of copyrighted works and halt the distribution of counterfeit creations, thus empowering artists, developers, and inventors to secure their crafts and sustain their passions. The influence of AI transcends mere protection. It nurtures a culture where innovation thrives, where creators can boldly venture without fear, assured that their intellectual rights and incentives are guarded. Stand with us, embrace the power of artificial intelligence to champion creativity, defend intellectual property, and inspire the visionaries of tomorrow.